A struct, or structured data type, is like an array. Arrays elements are accessed via indices, while struct elements are accessed via field names. Arrays require that the data type of the elements be the same, while struct fields can have different data types. To get the total memory size of the struct, calculate the size of each field and add them together. Fields are stored sequentially in memory in the order that they've been declared within the struct. Once a struct is created, the length is fixed regardless of if all of the fields are used or not. The maximum amount of space is allocated for each field. Adding an identifier after the keyword struct will create a new data type that you can use to assign to some new variable. When declaring a new variable with the data type of a particular struct, you have to include the word struct prior to the struct data type name. For example, struct vehicle Lambo. When defining a struct variable, make sure to place the values in the order that they are declared within the struct. To access a field within a struct, you would use the dot operator to update and read values. If you assign the struct to another variable, a copy of the struct is made and new memory is allocated. When dealing with complex structures, sometimes it's necessary to nest structs. You can access the nested struct with the dot operator again, for example, lambo.Murci.topSpeed. The nested struct can be initialized in a similar fashion as a single struct. If the variable is a pointer to a struct, then you'll need to dereference the variable prior to referencing the field. The arrow operator can be used. It combines the dereferencing of the pointer variable and field referencing. When using the dereferencing symbol and the dot operator, make sure that the dereferencing is wrapped in parentheses, since the dot operator has higher precedence over the dereference operator. To eliminate placing the struct keyword prior to variable declaration, you can use the type def operator and place the identifier, which will act as an alias for the struct after the closing brace. Once the data type has been assigned an alias, you may use only the type name in front of the variable name, for example, vehicle A.